Can you envision a future where microscopic robots perform surgeries with unprecedented precision, deliver drugs directly to diseased cells, and repair tissues at the cellular level? Welcome to the transformative world of nanorobotics in medicine. Firstly, let's delve into the concept of unprecedented precision. Nanorobotics is enabling surgeons to manipulate and control tools at the nanometer scale, an advancement that's opening up new frontiers in medical treatment. Imagine a world where surgical procedures are so precise that they can target individual cells, minimizing the risk of collateral damage and improving patient outcomes. Moving on to minimally invasive procedures, nanorobots are revolutionizing the medical field by performing surgeries through techniques that are less traumatic to the body. These microscopic robots can navigate through the body with minimal disruption, making surgeries less invasive and accelerating patient recovery time. Then there's targeted drug delivery. Nanorobots can deliver medication directly to diseased cells or tissues with impressive precision. This ability to target drugs reduces side effects and enhances the efficacy of treatments, bringing a new level of sophistication to pharmacology. Now, let's consider cellular repair and manipulation. With nanorobotics, surgeons can repair damaged cells or tissues at the cellular level. This offers new treatment options for a wide variety of diseases and injuries, from genetic disorders to traumatic injuries. Next, we explore real-time imaging and feedback. Nanorobots equipped with advanced imaging and sensing capabilities provide surgeons with real-time feedback during procedures. This enhances accuracy and safety, ensuring surgeons have the most up-to-date information during operations. Focusing on applications in neurosurgery, nanorobotics has the potential to revolutionize this field. By enabling precise manipulation of neural tissue and targeted delivery of drugs for neurological disorders, nanorobotics can help us make significant strides in treating conditions like Parkinson's disease and epilepsy. In the realm of cancer treatment, nanorobots hold immense promise. They allow for precise tumor removal, drug delivery, and gene editing at the cellular level, potentially revolutionizing how we approach this deadly disease. However, as with any groundbreaking technology, nanorobotics is not without its challenges. Issues of biocompatibility, control, and scalability need to be addressed as we move forward. But the future of nanorobotics in medicine is bright, and ongoing research aims to overcome these obstacles and unlock the full potential of this transformative technology. In summary, nanorobotics is poised to bring about a revolution in medicine. From performing surgeries with unprecedented precision to delivering drugs directly to diseased cells, the possibilities are truly awe-inspiring. As we continue to navigate the challenges and explore the potential of nanorobotics, one thing is clear: the future of medicine is here, and it's smaller than you could ever imagine.